tip is using one dumbbell, and you can see this exercise on Not Just a Dumbbell if you want to buy the DVD and check it out. And we're going to just use it in one hand. It's a stationary body workout, stationary body exercise with the emphasis on the arm doing the work and the load. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle the dumbbell in and come in. Okay, not new, I know. Many people have done this exercise many times before, but I want to talk about how to add some emphasis so that we can get a bicep workout. Now, you may have noticed that I have a speed change. So I go out and come in, pulling fast, open, pulling fast, open, pulling fast, circle down, pulling quick. Now that pulling quick here is asking my bicep to do the work. Now, this is fantastic because now here it becomes tricep and there it becomes bicep. So now I'm getting both parts of my arm working. And what's cool about this is in Aqua we tend to have a lot of things that are focused mainly on triceps because of the pushing down action. And that's certainly the case in this situation. I'm pushing down, so it's tricep extension, but with the speed change of pulling the dumbbell in, and the key word here is pull the dumbbell in, I'm going to get that bicep action. So when you're teaching it, you want to go slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick. Now they will feel it more in their triceps than they will in their biceps until they've done enough repetitions. Now I'm feeling my biceps. And you want to get them to move their body a little bit because you want to get range of motion to pull that bicep in from somewhere. If they keep their body still and they're doing it like this, they won't get that much length or range for them to get a really good bicep workout. So teach it with a bit of a body action at the same time. So this is totally an arm workout. Ooh. There's a little bit of connection that's happening with the abdominals, but not that much. Not that much in all honesty. No, it's arms. It's definitely arms. It's not feeling that much. There is a little bit of, as I push away, there's a little bit of work that's happening in the standing leg, but nothing really to write home about. So I wouldn't be indicating that. It's all about the speed and the drive of the arms. So, great upper body workout here where you're not getting the heart rate up. It's more about strength. But make sure that you're aware of that tempo change for it to be truly effective for the upper body muscles. I like it. It's a great little recovery exercise in between some cardio stuff. And that's this week's Aqua tip. To demonstrate the single arm action is actually really easy. So this is another easy exercise to demonstrate on land. But again, it's all about the emphasis. So if the dumbbell, I will say, is in my right hand, so in my participant's left hand, pushing away and pulling in. So it's not this. Goodness. As I would say, goodness gracious. What is that? Everyone, move your dumbbells to the wall. Like, when you, I'm sorry, I can't teach like that. So this is how I would communicate it. They need to be in chest depth towards the waist depth. You're going to drive the dumbbell to the wall and pull it in. So push away, pull in. Push away, pull in. You should feel this in your bicep as you pull in and drive it away so you can feel it in your triceps. So triceps, biceps, triceps, biceps. Drive it away, up. Push it all the way down your leg as far as you can and pulling that dumbbell up here. And that's how I communicate it, so that there's a bit of speed change. They understand which muscles are involved in the exercise, so you get more buy-in, you get more commitment from your participants, and they understand where the emphasis of the exercise is. So you could say slow and quick, and make sure that you remember that the body is going to go with the arm, as I demonstrated in the water. You want them to get the upper body to move, which is why it's so important that they're at the right depth. You get deeper water, and some of our clients like to be in that sort of depth water, and there is a reason for why some people do. But don't expect them to be able to get that speed change. They won't be able to, because they've got to use their feet against the bottom of the pool to stabilise themselves, to be able to get that lean and get that drive away and pull in without losing their balance or their footing on the bottom of the pool. So super easy exercise to demonstrate, just a little bit of effort as far as the demonstration with the arms, and that's this week's Aqua tip.